A construction accident case that we were able to work on and resolve involved a carpenter. He was a young man, and they brought him to another job site where they were doing pile driving. And it was his first day on the job, and they had him involved with positioning the pile, and it got dropped on his hand, and he had extensive injury to one hand. Specifically, he hurt these two fingers in his hand, requiring surgery. It also resulted in him being unable to work. One of the nuances of the case was that this was his good hand. His other hand, he was born with a severe birth defect. Because of his age, he had a lot of future lost wages for not being able to work. And one of the driving forces of the case was the hand expert that we retained, who did a strength test, a grip test on both of his hands. And the doctor talked about what a normal grip strength would have been for somebody in his age group. A normal grip strength should have been around a 200, and in his hand with the birth defect, I think it was a 120, and in his hand from the accident, it was a 20 out of 200. And that was very compelling when we went to mediation along with all of the economist reports about him not being able to work. And the client actually showed up to the mediation and showed his both hands to the mediator and to the defense attorney and to the adjuster. And a case that really only involved one hand being hurt resulted in a really big recovery. We recovered $3.5 million from him.